Welcome back, everyone. It was a much cooler day today across the valley. High temperatures only in the 50s for most, 48 the high temperature in Rolla, and we had some strong winds to go along with it. Here in Fargo, our peak gust was 44 miles per hour. But check out Cooperstown, a peak wind gust of 54 miles per hour, 45 mile per hour gust in Fergus Falls. Now in Fargo, we're looking a little quieter. Overcast, wind out of the west at just 12 miles per hour. Currently 51 degrees, 48 now in Moorhead. Grand Forks 49 overcast with wind out of the west-northwest at 13 miles per hour. Temperatures for most of us are in the 40s. We're the warm spot here in Fargo, 50 in Oaks, 46 Jamestown, only 42 in Devil's Lake, 48 in Detroit Lakes. And we're still seeing overcast skies and rain showers as well, but up in Canada, we're seeing a few flakes that'll be moving down. As for the wind, we're still breezy in parts of the valley, but the strongest winds are still off to the west, primarily through central North Dakota, still gusting to 41 miles per hour in Minot. The wind will continue for tonight, and the rain showers will continue as well. Then overnight, we've been talking about it for a couple of days. We're going to see the potential for some wintry mix, some snow mixing in with the rain. Now, most of this is going to happen while we're sleeping, but if you're up for your early morning commute, might see a couple of flakes in parts of the central and southern Red River Valley. It's going to melt on contact. It's going to melt as it comes down. Not any accumulation expected, but you might see a couple of flakes fly, and they will fly because it is still going to be windy as well through the morning. Temperatures by tomorrow morning, upper 30s to low 40s. It's going to feel chillier with that strong northwesterly wind. A few spotty lingering showers throughout the day on Friday, but generally a couple of spotty showers and windy and cooler and cloudy. So a blustery fall day is what we can expect to wrap up our work week. General clearing, gradual clearing later in the day. We'll talk about what that means for Saturday in just a second, but high temperatures tomorrow. 40s to low 50s. And again, it's going to feel chillier because of the wind and lack of abundant sunshine. Heading into Saturday, our first alert weather day because we're going to have clear skies. Wind is going to go light after the last several windy days, and that colder air continues to filter in. Temperatures for most are going to be in the 30s, but some areas could dip as low as the upper 20s. So make sure you are ready to take precautions to protect your tender plants, cover up the gardens, because it could be the end of the growing season. A freeze watch in effect from Friday night until Saturday morning from the National Weather Service just earlier this afternoon. So looking ahead to your planning forecast, we do have that first alert weather day Saturday, but we will still warm things back up. The few mornings will be chilly. We're talking 30s most mornings throughout at least early next week, but afternoon highs back into the 60s, which is very close to seasonal average.
It's a perfect excuse. Just sleep in and you might avoid some of the cold.
That's very true. Yes.
Sleep in late.
I like your thinking.
Thanks, Summer. Planning your Halloween look? We'll introduce you to someone who can help. Stick around.